How you doing, bro?
Doing good. I'm looking at a place.
There's a company called Champion.
Oh, okay.
Kwa nini? Kasikazi wamezoea.
Ni kama wameanza.
Hey, what's happening, everybody? As I've been telling you, welcome back to my channel, EKKI Media. And here's another one. As I've been telling you about the project going down. Yeah, the city has actually approved the cement to put the rebar back on the foundation. And here's another step, guys. It looks like we're making progress now. And the way I understand, after this is gonna be real fast. All right, bless up yourself and let's go. Let's see. So from here, man, I'm not gonna be doing a whole lot of talking. I'll just let you guys watch. And as you can see right here, you have the concrete truck. So right here. So now we're gonna have it. I'm not gonna be doing a lot of talking, so I'll just let you guys see the process. And that's it is. Yeah, all that big truck. That's the name of the company right here. How you doing, bro?
Doing good. I'm looking at a place.
You Kenyan? You Kenyan?
Yeah.
Sasa? Look who is here. This is a Kenyan brother here.
Mambo.
Hii ni kampuni yako?
Hapana.
Hii inaenda YouTube. Tenda kwa YouTube. Shout out to yourself.
Sawa bwana. Tunafanya job ya construction and we love it. The audience ni nani?
EKKI ni watu wa Kenya, Jamaica, all over the place.
Oh, okay.
Waambie jina yako.
Anaitwa Devi.
Kenya's massive.
From
Right here.
Makini,
Show them the flag.
Represent.
Right here.
Tunajuana.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, that's my brother from Kenya right there. Yeah. He saw my flag. He's like, man, you Kenyan right here. Yeah, so these are my Kenyan bro right here. With the concrete. Tenda uangalie jina EKKI Media. EKKI Media. Kama kibaki EKKI. Sawa. So this is a concrete, like this is the truck. We don't do the manual work, you know? What's up, amigo?
Hey, what's up?
Ready to do this? So this is it. How long does it take to cure? How long does it take to cure?
You can walk on it tomorrow. You're going to be rubbing on it. But it takes a couple days, a few days.
Okay.
You'll be able to build on it for like a week or two, huh?
Oh, a week?
Yeah, I think something like that. I'm not sure. You're going to have to ask the guy in the back.
Heat?
Him or Alan. Probably Alan.
Okay, got it. I'm ready to go back home, man. This is holding me up. Come up.
Can you go up? Can you go up?
Easier when you go back and forth.
Yeah, but it's not good. Yeah.
Put the next one next week so it is done. You just swing over to the next one.
Go down.
Hey, buddy.
How you doing, man?
All right, man. How's everything?
Going good, going good.
So, what did they say about the rebound there?
It all passed, finally.
So, put it back on the slab.
Huh?
Will you plug it back in the slab, connect it back, or it's just gonna be that way?
It's just gotta be this way. The city said we couldn't do it.
Oh, really?
That's why they failed us. Said they're not allowed to tie it to the house.
So what happens? It looks loose on this side.
Put it in the ditch, one. Dump it in the ditch.
It's gonna be stable?
Yeah, we'll pick it up when we get concrete in there, and it'll be inside the concrete.
Okay. All right.
I ain't got but one handle.
There's another one in my truck.
Little one?
Yep.
I think I could reach it then.
I got the two of them in there. Now you got to go get the skinny one.
No, you got to. Somebody got to go down that wall anyway.
I got it right here.
Well, I ain't got to go all the way to the wall. That way I don't close up the edge mark.
So it's going down. I told you guys, this battery drains really fast, man.
Do a little bit at a time, okay?
I'm walking away. Yeah, buddy.
Raise it up.
What's your hit?
I lock it. It's locked.
Go kufanya hii for how long?
I've been doing this since 2008.
2000, man, that's a while. Eh?
Yeah, it's been a minute, but been switching over. Sometimes I go over the road driving semis.
Oh, you do that too?
Yeah.
Man, you gotta make all that money, eh? Left, right,
Man,
center.
right now it's not good. That's why we're doing this.
Oh, the
Yeah.
semi.
Construction is better right now, but over the road, it's no pain.
Yeah, that's what I heard. Like,
Yeah.
I think there's too many people doing it, right?
And my dream is to buy one of these for
Oh.
myself.
So there's more money in this?
As in this constant one.
Oh yeah, because there's always be doing
Texas
it.
is building, like always make money in Texas.
Yeah, all right.
Construction you can't go wrong.
Okay. There's a company called Champion. Kwani? Kasika wamezoea?
Ni kama wameanza
Vile inakaa. Unajua jamaa anaitwa Marwa? I am Marwa. amejenga a very big home in Nyabohanze.
Yeah, it's the name of
You know, wanatoa mchanga kwa mto.
Yeah.
They make the nini.
Yeah.
Wanafanya tu kwa mto mchanga rao, and then they mix, and then they yeah. So I was telling here in abroad,
Yeah.
everything has to be inspected.
Exactly.
Yeah. Kasa hii walikuwa wameanguka inspection. So
Wameangusha na nini kwa
riba. City doesn't allow riba kwa huko.
Ndio ndio huko back lazima city allow.
Yes. You ulikuwa connected kwa nyumba.
So,
and then the structure wanaweka is like us.
That's just one.
Yeah, they're putting a sunroom.
Yeah. Also, but if it's attached to the house,
Yes.
you need a
Permit. Yes.
My side of the road here, they just get solid rubber. That's why I'm like, my side is solid rubber.
What's my motherfucking name? What's my motherfucking name? The city's strict, huh?
Go ahead, dude. Damn, the tire done went flat?
No, I fucked up and put the fucking, I was trying to hurry up and throw it down. I fucked up and when I put down that wood, I put the nail up and it hit the damn nail.
Yeah, so this wheelbarrow has a puncher, so they put the nail up and cut the nail. Yeah. So that one is out. It's flat.
Where you going over there? Up next time.
So they're putting back the rebar, but they have to be cement, so they're putting it back now. So.
plug this little bit more. Call it a day.
Call it a day. I'll get it right here on this end.
There you go. Come on back to me about a little.
All right.
Right there.
Yeah.
Got some? On the
Wait,
truck.
got
There's some on that little truck. I got it.
I get it.
All right. Something to hold out for me. Got you.
Get out the water on shit.
Yeah, we put 10 on right when he got here.
There's wheelbarrows in the shop with good tires on.
Yeah.
Flat front ones, you know what I mean? There's gonna be a little sunroom.
His room to make his videos and stuff.
Bounce it off, make a video.